Good morning, students. So, let's start our day with good thought. Today's thought of the day is praise loudly, blame softly. Praise loudly, blame softly. Okay, students? Now, let's start our chapter explanation. Already we have explained this chapter in previous video, but today again we will revise our lesson. Why do we live in a house? Can somebody tell me? Why do we live in house? We live in a house because it protects us from sun, wind, rain, snow, animals and also from bad peoples. Again I am repeating the same thing. हम घर में क्यों रहते हैं? Because a house protects us from sun, wind, rain, animals and also from bad peoples. Okay, students? So now let's see different kinds of houses which I have already drawn on the board. Okay, as you can see on the board. See, some people live in flats, some people live in flats. This is buildings. Some people live in bungalow and some people live in huts. So these are different kinds of houses. So now what are houses made of? Now in this chapter we will also learn new things like what we use to build our houses. See, this both houses need some common things. I am writing on the board. You will see. Bricks, cement, glass, wood, and also steel. Okay. So means students, two kinds of houses are also there, pakka house and kacha house. So this comes in the category of pakka house. This comes in the category of pakka house. And which things we need? Yes, students, steel, bricks, cement, glass and wood. See, glass and wood are almost used for doors and windows. Okay. Now, coming to the huts. Huts are made of bamboo grass and straw. And straw. Okay. So, different houses need different things. This are pakka house and this is kacha house. These have more good qualities. They are more good in qualities. And this is kacha house, which is a temporary house. Okay. Now, what are the qualities of a good house? What are the qualities of good house? A good house needs sunlight, open space, sunlight, open space, wire netting, good drainage system. Okay, this all four qualities should be there in a good house. Why? Because see, first let's start with sunlight. When sunlight enters your house, germs, they kill germs. They kill germs. So, see, nowadays you see virus is spreading. So, we are given instructions to sit in sunlight. So, in that way also, sunlight kills germs. Yes, sunlight kills germs. So, we should keep our windows open. So, sunlight should come inside as it kills germs. These are the several things which a good house needs. Students, plants also clean the air. Plants also clean the air. So, we should plant more and more trees around our house. And the next point comes cleanliness. Yes, it's a very, very important point. Cleanliness. We should keep our house clean so that germs and mosquitoes should not breed in that area. We should keep our house clean inside, and also our surrounding also we should keep clean, because germs and mosquitoes breed on dirty water. So you should take care that dirty water is not collected anywhere. Dirty water is not collected anywhere. Now, the third point, the house and the area around our house also should be clean. We should plant trees and wire netting. Wire netting is necessary because mosquitoes and insects should not come inside the house. Mosquitoes and insects should not come inside our house. So there should be wire netting on windows. The next point which a good house need is proper drainage system. As you know, we wash our utensils, we take a bath. So if there is proper drainage system, the dirty water will go away. So there will be no mosquitoes and flies which are attracted to dirty water. So again I am repeating good qualities of house: wire netting, proper drainage system, sunlight coming inside our house, and by planting more trees we can keep our air fresh and clean. So now again I am repeating the main points of the lesson. We need a house because it protects us from sun, wind, rain, snow, animals, and also from it keeps our things safe at our place. A good house needs proper ventilation. One more point I can add in this: there should be balconies and verandas. So when we want to relax, we can sit in balconies and verandas for few hours, so to take rest, to relax our mood. So let's do our exercise. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Sunlight kills blank that make us sick. Sunlight kills germs. Sunlight kills germs that make us sick. Windows let out dirty air. Windows let out dirty air and let in fresh air. Okay, so proper ventilation should be there at our house. You should always throw garbage. You should always throw garbage into closed डस्टबिन. हमें कचरा इधर उधर नहीं थ्रो करना चाहिए. We should always throw garbage into closed dustbin. So now let's again revise all three filling the blanks. Sunlight kills germs that make us sick. Windows let out dirty air and let in fresh air. You should always throw garbage into closed dustbin. Now our exercise: match the column. After filling the blanks, match the column. Match the words. Column A, column B. Windows. So what windows do? They let sunlight in. Let sunlight in. Okay, students? Veranda. Veranda is a space where we sit for relaxation. Veranda is a space to relax in. Drainage system. Drainage system. Drainage system carries dirty water away. there should be proper drainage system in every house. Wire netting, another feature of a good house. Wire netting, which keeps insects out, keep insects and mosquitoes out. So again, windows let sunlight in, veranda a space to relax in, drainage system carries dirty water away, wire netting keeps insects and mosquitoes out. Students, no need to write this exercise, only do orally learn it. Okay students, no need to write in your notebook. Just read 2-3 times and learn.